Good afternoon, welcome to another video from Barclay Motor Company of Hopwood, South Birmingham. Beautiful Land Rover Freelander 2, it's a 2.2, it's an SD4, it's a HSE, it's automatic four-wheel drive, 2011. The CAMBELT and water pump have been replaced at 84,000 miles and it has done 84,000 miles. Great service history, serviced at 6, 13, 22, 31, 35, 41, 51, 55, 59, 64, 69, 75, etc, etc. Mega service history and a really nice HSE. Finished in, is that Stornoway grey? Metallic grey. Price 8695. Remember, automatic diesel, mega history, lovely condition. 5 alloy wheels, so there's an alloy spare in the boot, which was an optional extra. It's a HSE, so it has lots of lovely extras, including the panoramic tilt slide glass sunroof. This has a factory fitted tow bar with twin electrics. The load cover is in the boot area. It has lovely 19-inch alloy wheels. It's not too badly stone chipped. All the paint hasn't fallen off the front grille. Front park sensors. I can see the lines in the windscreen. It has the electric heated windscreen. Black leather inside. Alpine Hi-Fi with DAB radio, Bluetooth, satellite navigation, heated leather seats, electric leather seats, climate control with freezing cold air conditioning. Obviously the twin panoramic roofs up there with the manual sunshades, leather steering wheel with cruise and voice control, satellite navigation, DAB radio, Bluetooth. It's got your different modes down there for the on-road, off-road, snow, rocks, etc. Super clean in the back with the Land Rover rubber, fitted mats, front and rear throughout. Yeah, this is a lovely car. Tow bar, twin electrics, rear park sensors, privacy glass, rear spoiler, load cover for the boot area or your luggage compartments area. Nice and clean in there. Full-size alloy wheel with a brand new Continental spare tyre, jack, wheel brace, tool kit, aluminium or alloy wheel locking key to get the wheels off, all present and correct. This side, beautiful, like the other side, no dents, no scratches, lovely wheels, lovely tyres, great looking car in grey, HSE near the top of the range, so fully spec'd. Yeah, paintwork is very nice on this. Front disc pads aren't very old, still silver on the centres of the discs, no bumper scuffs, not stone chipped. Okay, electric mirrors, folding mirrors, heated mirrors, electric windows. Remember, it's got the Alpine Hi-Fi with the badges on the speakers, fully electric driver's seat with memories, heated seats, leather on the driver's seat is in beautiful condition. Aircon's on now, it's freezing, automatic headlamps, voice control, leather steering wheel with cruise. Wow, that aircon is lovely. It's red hot out here today. Okay, £8,695, mega service history, had the CAMBELT done and in very nice condition. Please visit www.bmc-cars.co.uk, that's our website, to see our other vehicles in stock. This video will be hosted on our YouTube channel, Barclay Motor Company 5243. If you head over there, you can watch this video over and over again, along with over 2,000 other car videos we've produced over the last couple of years. You can thumb through those, there'll be lots of Freelanders to look at. If you would be so kind as to subscribe to our YouTube channel, then you will get a notification every time we upload a fresh vehicle into stock. You will be one of the first people in the country to know we've just had that car in. Thank you very much for your time today. Goodbye.